40K tournaments happen all around the world. Unfortunately, I can't make them all. Still, I want to know what's happening, who's winning, who's losing, and with what army or list. So like you, I sit on DACA or other blog sites, hoping for any piece of information. Recently, the biggest tournaments have started posting live feeds to top tables, but unfortunately the coverage is still limited, and results are third hand or far between. Now I know I'm not alone, constantly refreshing the thread, hoping for any news at all, news that rarely if ever comes. My name is Chip Boyd, and maybe I'm a bit too obsessed with 40K. But I know I'm not the only one. In a hobby like this, where we spend countless dollars and hours playing with our toy soldiers, wanting to know what happens in this competitive world is natural and healthy, right? So I want to fix this problem of ours. I want to give you the information you need, either at the tournament or watching from afar, so that we all have a better gaming experience. Now I know that this has been tried and ultimately defeated before. Labors of love or side projects, midnight trysts that unfortunately fizzle out before they ever gain traction. Well, I refuse to meet the same untimely end, so I found a financial backer who, despite not having a damn clue about Space Marines or Necrons, has the same competitive spirit and passion that I do. He runs ultramarathons. I play marathon 8-round tournaments, and we both hate to lose. So we're starting a revolution. We have developed tournament management software that revolutionizes the tournament experience with technology that for too long has been missing from this industry. We're about to give the fans and viewers live data about who's playing who, with what army, and who's winning or losing. This revolution is Torrent of Fire. With this data in hand, we'll soon present you with The Weapon, a queryable database that will allow you to find out what armies are doing well and in what circumstances. Before you run out and buy a new Eldar army, use our database to see how Eldar have done against Necrons in an objective-based mission over the last 6 months. Rather than running out and painting a bunch of units you won't end up using at the next Adepticon, find out how those units have fared against the strongest lists you're likely to see. Maybe you're tired of losing to your friend who fancies himself a win-at-all-cost player. We will give you a competitive edge that has never been achievable in 40K before, and it starts this August. Nova 2013 will be the start of the revolution. Mobile scoring, live streaming, up-to-date action, viewable around the world. Data-driven decisions powering your next tournament victory. And this is just the beginning. I want you to join the revolution. I want you to feel the type of power only Torrent of Fire can provide. Whether you strive to win the Nova or you just want to know what armies are doing well at your local gaming store, the intel we provide you will be invaluable. So join me in bringing miniature gaming out of the Dark Ages. Together, we will change the way Warhammer is played forever.